Thank you, Jeff. Let me start by providing a brief background on Bayer. We're a global company with 3 divisions. We have a revenue of 35 billion, and we have approximately 110,000 employees. One of our divisions, Material Science, realized that to be competitive, it needed to be able to take advantage of all of their collective knowledge and expertise. But this knowledge and expertise was often isolated and distributed all around the world. Innovation is very important to us. And let me just share you a few examples. We produce lightweight materials for the automotive industry. 10% weight reduction equals 5% reduction in fuel consumption. In response to the climate change, we have developed a production process that actually takes CO2 as a raw material, and also with our nanofoam, we have further enhanced the insulation capabilities of many materials. 3 years ago, Material Science started a pilot with 2 departments. These departments were sometimes working on the same problem across the world with duplication of effort and no sharing of solutions. We wanted to create a culture where sharing is encouraged and where we have a mindset that stimulates the innovation process. From the start, we were aware that beyond the acquisition and deployment of the right technology, the main challenge would be the change of culture. The initiative was championed both by our business and IT executives. We looked at what was available in the market and we selected IBM connections. We installed it out of the box and made it available to the pilot team. And to be clear, this was without any formal training or without any specific assistance. The first deployments were small, but the software was so easy to use that basically it was also fully aligned to day-to-day projects that the overall thing grew organically to several thousand users just within 18 months. Last year, Bayer started deploying a global office environment that is mainly based on Microsoft. For additional social capabilities, we evaluated a range of third-party solutions like NewsGator, Jive, and also IBM Connections. IBM Connections was selected, and next month, over 125,000 users, including partners and contractors, will have the ability to use the platform. The existing content that Material Science already has will be fully migrated into the new environment. Now, based on the early results we have seen with the deployments in BMS, we expect to see a quick adoption across the whole of Bayer with immediate benefits coming from the new way of interacting with peers around the globe. The feedback I am getting is very positive. Our people really like it, it's very easy to use and it's very intuitive, so people can focus on collaboration rather than focusing on finding their way around on how to use the software. At this point in time, operating a social business is starting to change our division's culture. And let me just give you a recent example. 3 weeks ago, we went live in Asia with the last major phase of our global SAP deployment. Rather than using lists in Excel to basically identify people with their expertise and contact details, we decided to use the profile tagging function in Connections. So to date, we have about 54,000 profile tags. Overall, this was very well accepted by the users. Now, for instance, to find a key user that knows about transportation in Melbourne, people can simply go into the connection search, they type in key user, Melbourne, and transportation, and then they get the list of people that can help them. They simply click on it and they find the details. Now, this is just the first example, but it will really change the way we work going forward. Now, in closing, I have found that to getting our people to think and work in a different way is much more than just about technology. It also involves a bit of psychology. But without a simple and intuitive platform like Connections, we would not be on our current path to success and sustainable change. Thank you.